Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can add event calendar to your Wix website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you will get on this site called Elesite. Elesite is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is event calendar. So let's click on right top corner, sign up for free. You want to sign with Gmail, Facebook or normal mail, it's really up to you. And when you got it, click login. Right here in Elesite applications, you want to write in the search event, and you're going to see right here event calendar. Let's create a widget. Now you want to choose which event calendar you want. There are so many of them that you can really choose club events or even museum, right? Yeah, I'm going to choose the museum or concert hall, right? This one. Okay, continue with the template. Now what I do is that you can simply update the events here what are happening. You just come to Elesite and you always just add an event for your widget. Pretty reckless, starts, ends, photo or video, and event time, venue, host, tags. You just add everything. And then scroll down below, you can edit everything here. Then you got a layout here, what kind of you want, like list or grid or masonry or slider. I'm going to get the slider, I really like it. Then you get settings here. View event details in pop-up or go to event button link and change the style like colors and everything. So when you got it, what you want to do is just click save. Right after you click save, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version to test it out. But if you're getting 5,000, 50 or 5 million views, go with the basic pro or enterprise. Let's copy the code here. And now just scroll down below, click add, go to empt, custom empt widget, enter code here and paste the code, update. Voila, you see it here. Now I'm going to preview. And look at this. Wonderful, isn't it? And this is pretty much it. If you have any questions, guys, write to Elesite support, they will help you with everything. How you can add and edit everything. But yeah, I definitely recommend check all the other applications in Elesite if you can find them useful and then use them for your website. And thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.